Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this overview are available in the description below. This video reflects my personal experience using the platform. This video provides a comprehensive review of the Indeed freelance jobs platform. Indeed, renowned as one of the world's leading job boards, caters to freelancers by featuring an array of freelance and contract-based job opportunities. Its adaptable design makes it a valuable resource across various industries, encompassing technology, writing, design, marketing, and specialized fields such as consulting and healthcare. Regardless of whether you're seeking short-term gigs or extended projects, Indeed's robust search functionality can connect you with opportunities aligned with your specific skills and experience. A key strength of Indeed lies in its vast database of job listings. Freelancers can easily refine their searches using keywords like contract, freelance, temporary, or remote. The platform's powerful search and filtering capabilities allow you to narrow down results by industry, desired salary range, location, and even company size. For proactive freelancers, Indeed offers the option to upload resumes, increasing visibility to potential clients and recruiters actively seeking candidates. Indeed offers both free and paid services. Free access allows you to browse job postings and submit applications. Upgrading to Indeed Resume enhances your profile's visibility to employers actively searching for talent. Indeed also provides valuable tools to manage applications and monitor responses in a centralized location, streamlining the job-seeking process. Clients and employers benefit from Indeed's extensive reach and the ability to post jobs specifically targeting freelance professionals. This feature ensures that businesses seeking flexible or project-based workers can efficiently connect with qualified individuals. Furthermore, the inclusion of employer reviews and ratings allows freelancers to assess potential opportunities, enhancing transparency and informed decision-making. In conclusion, Indeed proves to be a dependable and efficient platform for freelancers seeking diverse opportunities across various industries. Its broad reach, user-friendly interface, and advanced filtering options make it an indispensable tool for any freelancer committed to expanding their client base and career prospects. To embark on your freelance journey, explore the links provided in the description and begin discovering freelance opportunities on Indeed today.